Welcome to the LanguageCert USAL esPro Adaptive Test tutorial video. This video will help you ensure that you are familiar and comfortable with all aspects of the LanguageCert USAL esPro Adaptive Testing experience, both in terms of what you as a test centre need to do, as well as what the experience will look like for your candidate. First of all, you need to launch the Exam Shield application before the exam date. From the bottom right corner, you may change the language to Spanish. Before the exam date, you need to confirm that the system works properly. To do so, click on Check System. To check the audio works OK, press the Record button to record your voice and check that you can hear your recording. Don't forget to ensure that the camera works properly too. After completing each check, a message informs you on whether the system has passed or failed, or provides you with a warning notification. In case of failed or warning, detailed error information and possible workarounds will be provided. Press Start Exam and the login screen will appear. Now the application is ready for the candidate. Thank you very much for watching this tutorial video. We hope you found it useful. If you need further help, you can contact our customer service team, which is available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Thank you.